everyone, how are you today? I hope you are doing fine. So welcome to my channel. You are with me, 𝓑𝓵𝓾𝓮, and this is my first video. I feel so blue today because I'm all blue. My shirt is blue, my turtleneck is blue, my head wrap is blue. Blue head wrap, I love head wrap. So yes, I'm gonna be showing you something blue today, which is blue rice. I'm gonna show you how to cook a blue rice. So this is actually the very easy and simple way to cook the rice. So let's just get started to our cooking today. Mari kita masak. So as I said before, that this is actually a very simple and easy way to cook. So this recipe of blue rice, you will only need few things, about 3 things. So first you will need blue butterfly pea. I have the fresh one here, which I picked just now from my yard. I have this dry one, but I'm not going to use this because this is actually I'm going to use it for my tea. And then rice, about 2 cups of rice. Jadi beras ini kalau ukuran kami ya 2 mok, itu beda ya sama ukuran yang orang di luar mok kecil. So this is about Indonesian size of cups. And then water, you can just measure yourself. So I'm just going to boil the water first. I'm using the same pot, so I'm going to just let it boil first and then put the flour inside. So this is actually a very nutritious flour. Dia banyak kegunaan, banyak manfaat sebagai obat dalam untuk kecantikan juga. Dan saya punya ini, I made my own blue butterfly pea oil. I made my own. I used to apply it. I apply it in my hair, on my hair, on my face. Here I have never seen anyone cook this rice before, because as I know that di kampung saya, in my village, there is only one place that has this flower tree, which is at my house. So mungkin saya saja yang masak ini. Jadi banyak orang bertanya saya, apakah ini bisa dimakan? Mungkin akan mati. If I were to die, I would have died already in 2011, the first time I ate this flower actually in Singapore when I was working there. Jadi airnya sudah mendidih, kita masukkan bunganya dan biarkan dia mendidih sampai warnanya biru. So as you can see, the color has changed. So as you can see, the color has changed into a solid blue color. And I think I have to take it out and strain it. I'm gonna strain it and discard the remaining flour, because I'm not going to use the flour, but just the water itself. So this is the rice. I have already washed it, so I'm just going to bring it back to the flame and add the blue water. Simple. Nice. Stir it sometimes so that it won't stick to the bottom of the pot. Let it boil. So stir it occasionally, because ya saya pakai our version of pot, periuk ala-ala kami di kampung, jadi harus diaduk terus supaya tidak melekat di periuk ini. Nasinya sudah mulai biru. So the water has already dried. I'm just going to stir it a little bit, and then cover it and let the heat, the rice and the flame to do their own things. So I'm just going to lower the flame and let it cook for a while. Oke. Jadi dia ini banyak manfaatnya dan saya rasa tidak ada efek sampingnya sama sekali kecuali pada ibu hamil. So the blue color is chili from blue ternate or blue butterfly pea flower atau bunga telang dalam bahasa Indonesia. So our rice is ready. I'm just gonna scoop it up. Okay. Hi, so this is the final look of my blue rice or blue butterfly pea rice. It's nice. And about the plate, you know, ini adalah kula. Orang Riung makannya di kula. Jadi kita tidak boleh lupa daratan. Ini adalah kula. And about the inside, it is actually not a dirt. You may think that it is a dirt, kotor, tapi dia sebenarnya bersih. And it's supposed to be like this, black in color. Kula, I love you. Yeah, that's our bunganya sudah jatuh, tetapi tidak apa-apa. Kamu boleh mencobanya di rumah. Jika resep ini sangat berguna, boleh mencoba dan boleh share. Yeah. So that's all for today. I thank you. I hope you like and enjoy this simple video. And please consider subscribe to my channel. I thank you in advance for doing so. And I'm so sorry because I didn't use microphone. That's why my voice wasn't that clear. And last but not least, please be safe out there. And remember, fear God and do the right thing. Bye-bye. See you in my next video. Tuhan Yesus memberkati.